try to think out of the box and think a bit, couldn't we do this in a different way, and could this eventually also be fun? My name is Stefan Diez. I'm a designer based in Munich, Germany. I'm working together with a team of about 8-9 people, and we are in particular working in the field of, I would say, everyday objects, but with a particular focus on real industrial design. Yeah, I think industrial designers, product designers, they have a huge influence actually on how we perceive products and how we use them and how we eventually give them back when we don't need them anymore. So we designed a frame which is made from minimum 75% post-consumer aluminium scrap, which is recycled in Norway on plants which are using water power. And doing this, we reduce the footprint of the aluminium by 95%. And then we decided for an aluminium because aluminium is a material that you can recycle endlessly without decreasing of quality. So it's not a downcycling, it's like you can really recycle it. So I think our responsibility of designers lies in reinventing a life that is a positive thing, that is something that is fun to look forward. And this is where I think our creativity can, let's say, play a role. We have to actually picture this. I mean, we have to better explain what we are doing. As if we are absolutely not anymore in a time where a very eccentric character as a designer is appearing on stage and talking bullshit. It's much more about a hybrid thing. It's like a designer is half a scientist, is a researcher, is a networker, is someone that needs to explain much better. And the shape has also to work. If you want to taste something, then you just have to increase the concentration. And I think this is where the Dutch Design Week can do a good job. You just like bring people together that are, having a vision just a bit closer, and then maybe a sort of a future gets more tangible. And I think this is the reason why people once in a while meet together and talk. And this is actually where we humans can also make use of the creative process and about our capacity of being inspired. Like we humans have this kind of crazy ability that even if you give me just a little bit, a fraction of something, our brain completes the picture. And this is such a nice process. Now, if you are, in Germany we have this kind of word Vorfreude, the joy in expectation of something is happening in the future. This is the most powerful kind of thing. And this is, I think, what we need to get there at the Dutch Design Week. Vorfreude on something. We don't need the picture to be completed. It's actually would be boring.